In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on sync to backup files in Dropbox. If you want an easy way to protect important files on your computer, using Dropbox Backup through the desktop app is one of the simplest options. Once it's turned on, Dropbox can automatically sync selected folders to your account, which helps keep your files backed up and easier to access if you ever need them later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set it up using the Dropbox desktop app. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Dropbox on your computer if it isn't already installed. Go to the official Dropbox website, download the desktop app, and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After that, open the app and sign in to your Dropbox account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use more than one, since your backups will be connected to whichever account is signed in. Once you're signed in, the next step is to open Dropbox Preferences. On a Windows computer, click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar. On a Mac, click the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top of the screen. This opens the Dropbox panel. From there, click your profile picture, then choose Preferences. This is where you can manage the app's settings, including backup options. Inside Preferences, look for the Backups tab and click on it. In that section, you should see an option labeled Setup next to Computer Backup. Click that to begin. Dropbox will then guide you through choosing which folders you want to include in the backup. You'll typically be able to choose from folders like Desktop, Documents, and Downloads. These are common folders where many people store important files, so backing them up can be a smart choice. Select the folders you want Dropbox to protect. If you're unsure, Documents is usually a good place to start since it often contains personal files, work files, and other important content. After making your selections, click Setup or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. Once that's done, Dropbox will automatically begin syncing and backing up those folders to your account. Depending on how many files you have and your internet speed, the first backup may take some time, so it's normal if it doesn't finish immediately. And that's it. After setup is complete, Dropbox will continue to back up those selected folders automatically, helping you keep your files safer and more accessible over time.